Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, February 16th, 2022. So let's take a look at the Lisk cryptocurrency. This cryptocurrency is quoted to US Tether, and this is daily time frame chart at the Zonda exchange. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlesticks, and let me just show you something interesting I have just spotted. So what do we have here? As you can see, let me just zoom out a little bit. There you go. What you see here is that that's a period of increased volatility when the market was pumping towards 10, 11, even dollars. Then big dump towards like a 264. That's the minimum. And then of course we got another low. This low was made at 154. Then a little bit of a relief rally with highs located at around 550. Again, period of a decreased volatility, as you can see here. Even that bounce is not that big anymore. And then of course we got lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, as you can see. And this is low, lower low, and that's a marginal but still lower low, which means by definition that might be considered as a downtrend. So the Lisk market is downtrending. Please notice the fact that the market of Ethereum or Bitcoin is kind of a close to resume the rally, right? Resume the multi-year uptrend after the period of the correction, like a 50 or 60% correction. So what are the levels on the Lisk that should be very, very closely watched to gain some kind of advantage on the Lisk market? Well, my first level is around here. Let me just zoom in a little bit so we can see it kind of there you go, kind of closely. My first level is around here, 1.97, around 1.99, almost $2. $2 will always draw attention because it's a round number. So it's good to keep an eye on the $2. As you can see, rejection happened around this level on Lisk, and we just consolidating just above the technical support at 1.70. Okay, so that's the intraday very interesting level, $2. Now the higher levels might be 220, and then we got this zone of the consolidation around 255, and then 275. Okay, so those levels are the minimum technical resistance levels that must be violated, very, very dynamically violated, in order for Lisk market to resume to the uptrend. Okay, as you can see here on the RSI, we are trying to bounce with momentum hitting 60 points, right? So it's a kind of a strong momentum, that is, and this is enough to lift the market 50 cents, right, from 150 around $2. So, and with that big momentum, so the pressure of the supply side, the bearish pressure, is high on the Lisk, and market, as you can see, historically keeps making lower lows. So that means the bulls are really, really, really the bulls are not really trying hard enough to rally, and that might have very dire consequences in form of a new low. And when we get below the level of 1.46, that's first, and then the other round number, which is $1, the things might get ugly for Lisk. So this is basically the last call for the Lisk traders, especially for bulls, to get the Lisk higher, way higher, and increase the volatility. As you can see here, volatility was pretty nice, 262, 420, about that level, 420, 425 even, right? So this is nice trading environment. This means there is no interest and especially from the bullish side right now on these prices. If the bulls thinks this is not cheap enough to buy hard, then what is? And of course we can assume that 146 and $1 might be cheaper enough. However, it's always better for the bullish side to push the prices higher, back towards the range, back towards the volatility increased range, like this range here, 260, 425, then going lower, making lower lows, lower highs, because this is a definition of a downtrend. So we are waiting for the response of the demand side on the Lisk quoted to US Tether. And that's about it. That's my analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you next time. So take care and bye bye.